Hello, this is the Report Manager app for Office 365 by Crow Canyon. Part of the app is that we install a report center in your Office 365 site. This could be for tickets, assets, any kind of information that you want to or a report on here. So, as you can see, there is a screen that lists the reports that you have already created. The screen on the right shows the current report that's highlighted, and that can be switched back and forth, to the different reports here. Okay, then there's manage reports, and manage reports brings us out to the app inside of the app, not the report center, but the report manager app. As you see, there's a user manual. There is a list of reports right here. There is manage themes and a subscription part of it. And also you can search. You can also decide to list all or 10, 20, or 30 of these, as well as what you want to see in the columns here that are listed. Now, if we look at a report that exists, such as income and tickets by month, we can click the edit button. That icon's for editing, and now we can configure the report. We have an option to show the report preview, but over on the left is where you configure it. The user manual goes into detail on how to configure these, but just briefly, there's a report title, details of what list it comes from, what view it's using. The type of report can be table, chart, or both. When it's a chart, there's line, column, bar, area, pie, and funnel options. What column is the x-axis, which row is the y-axis, which field on the list, in other words, that we're going to use, and then how things calculated, and some advanced settings. Now this advanced settings includes the theme here. We'll go into that in a moment. And show in report center decides where it's going to show in that list of the report center I just showed a minute or so ago. Now let's go over to, well, first let's look at the report preview. So this will show you the report so you can see what it is as you configure it and then work on it and make adjustments. So it makes it easy to configure reports that way. So if we cancel this, and now let's look at manage themes. There is a default template. We can add a new one if we wanted to. Let's look at the default. And this tells table appearance with different border, padding, captions, column headers, row headers, cell value layouts. So a lot of color, a lot of configuration you can do here on the table. Now here's the chart appearance also. You can have the width and height, fixed colors, automatic colors, or defined colors in your chart here. So it's quite a bit of flexibility in what the chart will look like, or the table. Subscription applies to what level of subscription you have. In a regular installation, not this demo, there would be more information about what the monthly fee is, what level the subscription is, and when it's going to renew next. So now let's go back. We're going back. It means go back to the site. So let's go back to Report Center. And you will see that the reports listed here are the ones that we've checked the box in Report Manager as to which ones are going to show up in the Report Center. Not all the reports we have in Manage Reports shows up here because this is, you need that checkbox saying Show in Report Center to have them listed here. So as you can see, we'll run through these a bit more. You have your charts. You also have different ways of displaying the information. Here's columns, different ways of displaying charts. Okay, the next part of this report Manager app is that you can embed these reports on a page making up a dashboard. So let's look at that. We will go to the Manager dashboard. You can see that on this page are several reports. Okay, these are from the Report Center, the Report Manager. To add a report to a dashboard, go to Edit Page, go to Add a Web Part in the area where you want to add the report. Under Apps, there is Crow Canyon Report. Press Add. That will put the report in that section where you chose Add a Web Part. The report is now there. You have to choose which report. It'll show you a list from the report manager when you go to edit the web part. You can select which report you want from the list. Press OK. Next is to go edit the title. If you wish to do that, you go to the edit web part over on the far right. There's a section called title right here. Put whatever title you want in there. Press apply. OK. And now when you press stop editing, the new report is there on the page and the location where you chose to add it. In this way, other reports can be added. These reports can also be deleted if you need to delete it from the page, from the dashboard. So the report manager app from Crow Canyon has the report center aspect to it that gets added to your site. It has the report manager where you can manage the reports and the templates that are used, whether it's charts, charts or tables or whatever. It has the ability to be added to a web page to make up a dashboard. Okay, that's what we wanted to present for this. Thank you very much.